Memorial Day is almost upon us, and we've worked with a number of other YouTube channels to create a menu just for you. If you don't know any of these channels, you should check them out. A wonderful barbecue cocktail is a Pimm's cup with a little bit of Pimm's, a whole lot of gin. You add a little bit of orange juice, a little bit of lime, a large dash of some micro mint, some fresh cucumber slices. Pimm's cup is supposed to be just kind of a salad in a glass. Whatever you have at home, just put it in there. Whatever's fresh in the garden, if you have some fresh rosemary, put in some fresh rosemary. If you have thyme, if you have mint, if you have sage, put it in there. Obviously some ice. And this is the definition of summer. That's what we're bringing to the party. If you want to see more, click on the thumbnails.